Patient resupply. It's a huge step forward, and the overnight qual checks are a really large part of that. So what do they do? Well, after you've set up an account with a patient resupply subscription, starting at 28 days before the next order, TIMS is going to start checking every night, making sure that each order is good to go. We have 4 checks that each order must pass in order to get processed. First is the account status. Is the patient active? Are they hospitalized? Next is eligibility. Is the customer insured? Does that insurance still qualify? And third is utilization. This check compares the patient's insurance limits and what the doctor has prescribed against what has already been ordered and delivered to check for eligibility. Lastly, documentation. Here, TIMS leverages DocSync to determine the document requirements for the patient and the status of each document. Now the order is ready for confirmation. As of now, you can confirm en masse via an import tool or individually, but we're working on streamlining this process even further with automatic texting. If people opt out of that though, there will still be an exceptions box letting you and your staff know who needs a phone call and when, because there's always going to be someone who wants to hear your voice on the other end of that line. After automatic texting is implemented, TIMS is going to be able to handle almost all of your reoccurring orders. We're hoping to have about 80% of all patients just breeze on by automatically. And for that last 20%, well, there's a concise panel for staff to go through in the morning to take care of. Patient resupply is coming to save your staff time and your customers headaches.